Rabies is one of the scariest diseases in the world. It's a viral disease and is transferred from infected animal to human or from human to human in very rare cases. This is a viral disease that affects central system and patient experiences some brain damage, brain confusion, and death. There is no gray area. What I mean is that if patient receives the vaccine on time before the symptoms start, then patient survives. If not, patient dies. This disease is transferred from animals such as dogs, raccoons, coyotes, even bats. There is this type of Brazilian dogs that if the patient is bitten by them and they are infected by rabies, it could take several years before the patient starts showing the symptoms after being bitten by this Brazilian dog. Let's watch some videos about rabies.
Rabies is going to translate to madness or rage, which is pretty telling about what this is capable of. But rabies is a disease that is going to be typically caused by the rabies virus, although it can be caused by other viruses. But regardless of the virus, those are all going to be examples of what are called Lissa viruses. It's going to be transmitted or capable of being transmitted from things like cows, bats are a very big one, dogs, cats. Literally, if it's a mammal, it's capable of transmitting rabies. There to attack the nervous system. However, if you get treated in time, and that's typically within 10 days of being bit by an infected animal, it's 100% preventable disease. Mid-brachium, so this right here is going to be the humerus, and then you can see like biceps brachii here, and then you can see all of the antebrachial muscles or forearm muscles. So let's go ahead and say that you get bit by a rabid dog in the arm. And so as it punctures into the muscle tissue, it's going to be delivering the virus into the muscle tissue. Now, remember, the rabies virus is not adapted to replicate very easily in muscle tissue. What it's really going to be going for, I'm going to open this up here, is nervous tissue like this. This is the ulnar nerve. You can also see it kind of branching off right here. And then we also have the median nerve. So the target, based on this bite location, is going to be these nerves. One of these nerves, or both. The virus gets into the spinal cord, it has a straight shot to the brain. The spinal cord is essentially a highway of neurons traveling to and from the brain going down the torso. So once the virus gets in there, it's just able to go directly up to the brain.